So I have these TikTok videos I need to get done today, and I decided I'm gonna do my makeup on here for you guys. Let's just get the brows done. So I'm just cleaning them up now because I already you know, gel them down and everything. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face using my Nivea cream. And then I'm gonna add primer. The primer I'm using today is this one from She Glam. So this is the foundation that I'm gonna be using. I have been using this foundation for a very long time now, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna use my sponge here to blend it out. So it was soaked in water, and this is something I like to do. I like to squeeze it into a paper towel to get the excess water out. And I'm gonna avoid adding any foundation under my eyes because I'm gonna be adding concealer there, so I don't want to pack the product too much, if you know what I mean. I'm also not gonna add too much foundation on my forehead. I'm gonna kind of avoid adding any foundation up there. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I think I'm gonna use this one. I got this from the TikTok shop and I absolutely love it. It is so amazing. When you put this concealer on, it's full coverage too, so that's good. But when you put this on, it just blends into your skin, which is amazing. So I'm gonna let the concealer dry down a little bit, and while it's drying down, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty contour stick to add some color into my skin. I feel like I can't talk today. What's going on with me? Alright, so I'm just gonna use the same sponge to blend it out. I don't know if I'm liking this sponge too much at all, but I'm gonna make it work because I'm not gonna go look for another one. I'm not really liking it. I don't even know where I got it from. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer, starting with my chin. Look at how that concealer just disappeared into my skin, y'all. Look at that. I love it. And I'm definitely gonna be buying more from that brand. The brand is called Hyde. I never heard of them until I had to do that video for them. But I absolutely love the concealer. They have more makeup product, but the concealer was the only thing I tried. Oh, y'all see that? If you guys are interested in getting this concealer, I have it linked in TikTok to my to my showcase, my TikTok showcase, to my showcase in TikTok. Yeah, so I'll leave the link if you guys are interested, so you could easily find it. I'm gonna go in on top of that with a brighter concealer. This one is from Tarte, but I'm only gonna be going here on the inner corner. I'm also gonna let this dry down a little bit. I just want right there to be a little bit brighter than everywhere else, so that's the reason why I'm using that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out, and I'm doing something very simple today. Hopefully I don't change and do anything more, you know, extra because I know myself, but I just feel like doing something a little simple. And set my face with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. I am so excited to try this. This is my first time trying it. I just bought it along with some other makeup product. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using some of those today, but definitely I'm using this. To set my face, I'm gonna be using my Real Technique brush, and this is number 402. And I'm just gonna dab it on just like this. And already I love the way it's going on. The smooth is unreal, y'all. The way my face looks so smooth right now because of this. Ooh. I'm gonna go over that with my Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX, and I'm gonna actually, instead of patting this on my face, I'm gonna let it sit on my face and bake right here, just right here a little bit. With what I have left on the sponge, I'm just gonna go right here and just do that, just to bring out my cheekbones a little bit. And now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and warm up my face a little bit more. By the way, this bronzer is from Morphe. Already I'm loving everything, y'all. Going with my blush I got from ABH. This is new also. And I'm gonna be using this orange color right here and just apply it onto my cheek like this. Ooh. And it's very pigmented. Ooh, whoa. I was not expecting that. I like it. There we go. I'm gonna go back in with my sponge here and just blend out this, soften up the shade right here, the blush, so we don't leave no harsh line there. Just like so. Now I'm gonna apply some highlighter from ABH Cosmetic. I'm gonna go under my brows like so. On my nose, the tip of my nose, and on the bridge of my nose here. Also, my Cupid's bow. Lashes, I don't want to do too much on the lid, so I'm just gonna go in with my contour from Morphe, and I'm just gonna add some right here just to make it look like we did something with the lids. I'm gonna do one last thing with the brow. I'm gonna use this palette right here, After Dark, and I'm gonna take this gold shimmer shade and just, oh my gosh, I wasn't even expecting it to do that. It looks so pretty. Ooh. yeah, just apply it right there on top of my lid. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. I was not expecting it to be so pigmented at all. Yeah, I just apply that on the lid, just like so. I feel like I need some more shimmer on the inner corner of my eye, so I just dip it back in there, dip my finger in and put it on, because sometimes your finger put it on so much better than the brush. I already did that one, as you can see. So yeah, I like that. I'm loving the way everything look. Only thing I haven't done yet is the lips, so I'm gonna go in with this lip liner. It's called Smile, and just line my lip. So to blend it out, I'm gonna be using the back of the lip liner and just smudge it out like this. Use this butter gloss that I have from NYX to go over my lip. Absolutely love the way it looks, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some lip gloss on top of that, and this one is from the beauty supply store. It's nothing special, just lip gloss. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and to do so I'm using my rose water setting spray by Made in Beauty. You already know. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna take this off, fix my hair up, and I'll come back and show you guys what we're looking like. So guys, this is the finished look. I feel so pretty, I feel so cute. I think it came out so nice. Usually I don't do my makeup like this, just because I'm not usually wearing my lash already when I'm doing my makeup. But the fact that I have these lash on, which I did the video for that not too long ago, I tried to do a look with the lashes on, and I really love the way it came out. As for the wig that I'm wearing, this is a wig that I already did promote on my channel. I got this wig back in December, I believe, from Shein, and this is my third time wearing it, and this time I have it on for almost 2 weeks. Yes, almost 2 weeks. I can't believe it myself. I really love this wig. Let me know, guys, what y'all think. Leave your comments down in the comment area. If you have any questions, drop them down below as well. I really appreciate y'all stopping by again once more for my tutorial, and if you think this video was helpful, leave me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Would love to have you over here because we're heading to 100K. okay, so anyway, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.